All right, JC and the mic together again with Coach Gary of Team Bakakay. Tonight, Coach, could you describe the team that you have assembled here, Coach? You guys are now in the semifinals round here at the ECL. After losing your first game, mind you, here in Bakakay, you've stringed together 4 straight wins. Anong klaseng team ang Igo Kangunyan at this point here in the tournament?
At this point, siguro mas prepared na kami ngayon. Nag-usap-usap na kami regarding sa both on defense and offense.
Yeah.
Yun, yung ganun. Tapos may mga pinag-usapan kami tungkol sa sistema, yung mga plays namin, lahat-lahat, pinag-usapan namin yun. And hopefully, it will work naman.
Now, Coach, you're facing Team Tiwi here. You've faced before, obviously, in the elimination round. Ano sa tingin mo ang dapat guwardyahan nindo against dito sa Team Tiwi na ini?
Well, of course, yung mga key players nila, dapat na-minimize agad namin
early
in the game para, kumbaga, medyo mawala na yung kumpiyansa.
Yeah.
Ibigyan namin sila ng, kumbaga, pressure defense talaga.
Yeah. Now, Coach, last question. With a win here, of course, you can secure a spot again in the championship round here in the ECL. Gano'n ka-importante sa imo as a coach na mapabalik ang Team Bakakay sa championship round, especially again with Tabaco waiting in the finals?
Anyway, para sa akin, it's a big challenge naman sa akin to kasi parang gusto kong, kumbaga, yung goal namin na mag-champion, magkaroon ng katuparan.
Yeah.
Para, siyempre, gusto rin namin mag-champion
Yeah.
Kaya dapat, makabalik kami. Dapat, we must win this game.
Correct. Thank you so much, Coach.
Okay,
Good luck
thank
tonight.
you.